Hello students, let's start with the same chapter, alcohols, phenols and ethers, and the topic is acidic characters of alcohols and phenols. Acidic character of alcohols and phenols. As we have already studied laboratory test, it is understood that in aqueous medium, phenol show weak acidic character, while alcohols are neutral. It is clear, therefore, that the reactivity of alcohols and phenols towards ionization of OH bond means hydroxyl bond in them is different. The reason behind this difference lies in the extent of stabilization of their respective conjugate bases by electronic effect. Now see here, ionization of alcohol, which is represented by the equilibrium. As you have seen in the example, electron donating inductive effect plus I effect of alkyl group destabilizes the alkoxide ion. As a result, alcohol does not ionize much in water and behave like neutral compound in aqueous medium. Students, I am repeating here, electron donating inductive effect of alkyl group destabilize the alkoxide ion. As a result, alcohol does not much ionized in water and behave like neutral compound in aqueous medium. So it is the ionization of alcohols. Now, ionization of phenol by the equilibrium. Students, always remember, phenoxide ion, the conjugate base of phenol, is resonance stabilized by delocalization of the negative charge. Phenoxide ion means conjugate base of phenol, and it is resonance stabilized by delocalization of the negative charge. Therefore, phenol ionizes in aqueous medium to moderate extent and thereby shows a weak acidic character. So it is clear that alcohol does not ionize much in water and behave like neutral compound, but phenol ionizes in aqueous medium to moderate extent and thereby shows a weak acidic character. As you can see, the resonance structure of phenoxide ion, in which we can delocalize the negative charge from the each of the carbon atom. So because of this, phenol ionizes in aqueous medium to a moderate extent and thereby shows a weak acidic character. It is the property of the alcohol and phenol which shows acidic character of alcohols and phenols. Now the next topic from this chapter is esterification. As you all of you know ester having Jana formula RC double bond O OR. Alcohols and phenols form ester by reaction with carboxylic acid. Acid halide and acid anhydride means when alcohol and phenol react with either carboxylic acid, either acid halide or either acid anhydride, it forms ester. Or in other words, alcohol and phenols can form ester by the reaction with either carboxylic acid or acid halide or acid anhydride. The reaction between alcohol or phenol with a carboxylic acid form an ester called esterification. Esterification of alcohols and phenols is carried out in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. The reaction is reversible and can be shifted in the forward direction by removing water as soon as it is formed. Just see the general reaction of alcohol ROH. It is react with acid. The general formula of acid is RC double bond OH. RC double bond OH. The reaction is reversible and reaction is carried out in presence of sulfuric acid or concentrated sulfuric acid. That's why H plus ion is on the reversible arrow. It forms ester means RC double bond OR with the removing of water. Same here, phenol. When phenol react with acid, ROH is phenol and acid is RC double bond OH. Reaction is reversible in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. It forms ester with the removal of water. So these reactions are known as esterification reaction of alcohols and phenols. See in the example C2H5OH. It is ethanol. We are taking here a simple alcohol. For understanding, you can use any one of the alcohol or any one of the phenol which you want. Ethanol react with acetic acid having formula CH3C double bond OH. Reversible reaction in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Remove water, OH and H will be removed. And the remaining part of the reaction is CH3C double bond O C2H5 combined with each other and form ester CH3C double bond O C2H5. The name of the ester is ethyl acetate. Same here, the next example is with phenol. Phenol react with, again we are taking here acetic acid, a simple acid. You can use any one of the acid. The reaction is reversible in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. OH and H means water molecule will be removed and the remaining part of the reactant means CH3C double bond O and aromatic ring react with together and form ester. The name of this ester is phenyl acetate. So these are the simple example for esterification of alcohols and phenols. When alcohols and phenols react with carboxylic acid in presence with concentrated sulfuric acid. Students, alcohols and phenols react with acid anhydride in presence of acid as a catalyst to form ester. See the general reaction. Alcohol ROH when react with anhydride having general formula R C double bond O C double bond O R in presence of acid which is act as a catalyst, reaction is reversible again and the product is ester, means R C double bond O R, and the remaining part of the reactant means R C O OH react together form carboxylic acid. Same reaction is carried out with the phenol. See the general reaction. ROH phenol, it is react with anhydride, so AR react with OC double bond OR and OH will be react with RCO, so it form ester and acid. Just see again a simple example. We are taking here again simple alcohol, it is ethanol, means C2H5OH. It is react with acetic anhydride. In place of anhydride, we are taking acetic anhydride, and the formula of acetic anhydride CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. Reaction is reversible and carried out in presence of acid which is act as a catalyst. Same here, CH3 C double bond O react with C2H5 means R C double bond O R, and remaining part of the reactant means CH3 C double bond O react with OH and it form carboxylic acid. Name of the ester is ethyl acetate and name of the acid is acetic acid. Same here, we are having an example of phenol. Again we are taking in place of anhydride acetic anhydride. Reaction is reversible in presence of acid which is act as a catalyst. Same here, hydrogen is react with CH3 C double bond O group and it form acetic acid, Remaining part ring, aromatic ring O C double bond O CH3 react together and it form ester, and the name of the ester is phenyl acetate. So these are the example when alcohols and phenols react with acid anhydride in presence of acid catalyst to form ester. Students, the reaction of alcohols and phenols with acid chloride is carried out in presence of pyridine which is a base and it neutralizes HCl. See here, ROH alcohol, it is react with acid chloride RC double bond O Cl in presence of pyridine. Pyridine is a base which neutralizes HCl and main product is ester, means RC double bond OR is ester, and hydrogen and chlorine react together form HCl. Same reaction is carried out with phenol AROH. It is react with acid chloride, So hydrogen and chlorine will be react together and ArO C111OR react to form ester. See the examples. Again I am using here ethanol, which is react with acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride is the example of acid chloride having the formula CH3C111OCl. In presence of pyridine, hydrogen and chlorine react together and remaining part of the reactant means CH3C111OC2H5 react together and form ester, and the name of the ester is ethyl acetate. Same example is carried out with the phenol. Phenol react with acetyl chloride. I am using here same example, acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine. Again hydrogen and chlorine react together, form HCl, and remaining part of the reactant means ring CH3C111O react together, form phenyl acetate ester. Always remember, pyridine is a base which neutralizes HCl. So it is the next method of esterification when alcohols and phenols react with acid chloride in presence of pyridine and form ester. So these are the examples of esterification. The next topic of this chapter is acetyl derivatives. The formula of acetyl group is CH3CO. Students, the acetate ester of alcohols or phenols are also called acetyl derivatives of alcohols or phenols respectively. The number of alcoholic or phenolic OH group in the given compound can be deduced from the number of acetyl group introduced in it. As a result of acylation, aspirin, a well-known generic medicine, in an acetyl derivative of salicylic acid formed by its acetylation using acid anhydride. So the example of this salicylic acid, when it is react with acid anhydride, its form aspirin is here, and you can understand it easily. See here, salicylic acid which is react with acetic anhydride, same reaction is carried out. Acetic anhydride react with OH group, from where hydrogen is removed from here, and it is react with CH3C111O and it form acetic acid. This oxygen atom react with C111OCH3 and it form aspirin, also known as acetyl salicylic acid. So student, acetyl derivative of alcohols or phenols means the number of alcohols or phenols OH group in the given compound can be deduced from the number of acetyl group introduced in it as a result of acetylation. So this reaction is also known as acetylation reaction, and it is the best example in which salicylic acid is react with acetic anhydride and form aspirin, or you can explain it as aspirin, a well-known generic medicine, in acetyl derivative of salicylic acid formed by its acylation using acetic anhydride. The next topic from this chapter is chemical reaction of alcohol involving breaking of O-CO bond. Chemical reaction of alcohol involving breaking of CO bond. In this reaction, alcohols react with hydrogen halides and form alkyl halide. The alkyl halide which are react with alcohols having in order of means HI react easily, then HBr and then HCl. And the reactivity of alcohol is in the order of tertiary alcohol is easily or faster react with hydrogen halide, then secondary alcohol and then primary alcohol. Students, as you have already studied that hydrogen halides means HX, or you can also call it halogen acid, HI, HBr or HCl. So HI is react very easily, then HBr, then HCl. Same here, tertiary alcohol is easily react with hydrogen halide, then secondary and then primary. Just see the general example or general reaction. ROH means alcohol react with HX means hydrogen halide. Both are undergoes in heating and form RX means alkyl halide and water. As we are having or we are using here 3 hydrogen halides means HI, HBr, HCl. So just take first HCl means action of hydrogen chloride or HCl with the alcohol. As we know that HCl is less reactive than HBr. Hence, we are using here catalyst Lewis acid for primary and secondary alcohol. The reagent composed of HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride is called Lucas reagent. Always remember, student, HCl is less reactive than HBr. Hence, we are using here catalyst, which is nothing but a Lewis acid, and it is only required for primary and secondary alcohol. So, when HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 compose with each other, it forms Lucas reagent. See the example of primary alcohol. We are using here ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Formula is CH3 CH2OH or C2H5OH. It is react with HCl in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. It forms alkyl halide. OH hydroxyl group or OH group is react with hydrogen. It forms H2O, and chlorine is attached with the alkyl group and it forms alkyl halide means chloroethane. Student, always remember catalysis is required only for primary and secondary alcohol. Now, secondary alcohol react with Lucas reagent is much faster than primary alcohol. We are taking here The example of secondary alcohol is propane-to-ol. As you have seen, OH group is attached with a carbon atom which is attached with another 2 carbon atom. So it is your secondary group or secondary alcohol. So this secondary alcohol react with HCl in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride at room temperature. As you all of you know, HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride is nothing but a Lucas reagent. Same reaction is carried out here. OH is react with H and form water molecule, and chlorine is attached with the alkyl group. So secondary alkyl halide means 2-chloropropane, a secondary propyl chloride is formed. Next example is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol react instantaneously with HCl at room temperature. No catalyst is required here. See here, we are using here tertiary alcohol. The common name of this tertiary alcohol is tertiary butyl alcohol, and the IUPAC name is 2-methyl propane-to-ol. React with HCl at room temperature. Same reaction is carried out. Hydrogen and OH group is react to form water molecule, and chlorine is attached with the alkyl group. So it's form tertiary alkyl halide means 2-chloro-2-methyl-propane. So these are the reaction when alcohol react with HCl and form alkyl halide. Students, alcohols are soluble in Lucas reagent while their alkyl chlorides are immiscible and produce turbidity in the solution. Primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol can be distinguished by reaction with Lucas reagent. Tertiary alcohols react immediately with Lucas reagent, and the formation of the alkyl chloride is indicated by its separation from the aqueous layer. In case of a secondary alcohol, layer separation is observed after a few minutes, and for primary alcohol, layer separation requires long time and that too after heat. Students, I hope you understand these topics. In the next lecture, we are continuing the topic reaction of alcohol with hydrogen halide. Thank you.